In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Microsoft Copilot account. We'll walk through two clear paths. First, I'll show you how to delete your Copilot account from the desktop app. Then, I'll cover an alternative that completely closes your entire Microsoft account, which also removes Copilot but comes with serious consequences. Follow along carefully and choose the option that fits your situation. Let's start with the desktop app. Open Microsoft Copilot on your computer and make sure you're signed in with the account you want to remove. Look to the lower left corner of the app and click the profile icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings. On the left side of the Settings window, open the Account section. Under Account, you'll see an option to delete account. Click that. A confirmation box will appear along with an optional feedback form where you can share why you're deleting your account. Read the prompt so you understand what will be removed from Copilot. When you're ready to confirm, click Delete Copilot. That final click completes the process for the Copilot account within the app. This targets Copilot specifically and does not close your overall Microsoft identity, so your other Microsoft services remain available unless you choose the next option. Now, if you want Copilot gone because you're closing your Microsoft presence entirely, there's a broader option, fully deleting your Microsoft account. Be aware, this is permanent and removes everything tied to that account, including Outlook, Xbox, OneDrive, and Copilot. If that's truly what you want, open a web browser and go to account.microsoft.com. Sign in. At the top, go to your info. Scroll down and choose Close Account. Follow the on-screen steps and confirm each prompt. Microsoft will then schedule your account for closure. The permanent deletion typically completes after 30 to 60 days. That waiting period exists so you clearly understand the impact before everything is erased. During this time, your data and services are queued for removal. If you rely on any Microsoft products or files stored in the cloud under that account, be certain you no longer need them before initiating closure. A few final notes to keep things smooth. Ensure you're working with the correct account if you manage multiple logins, as the screens you see depend on which identity is active. The interface may change slightly over time, and mobile layouts can differ from desktop, but the options and wording are generally the same. And that's it. Choose the desktop app deletion if you only want to remove Copilot, or use the full account closure if you're done with Microsoft altogether.